Here, yeah.
Well, I'm super excited, and I've done this before, and a lot has changed. So I'm looking for a new kind of experience. I wish all the contestants good luck, because I know how important it is for them, and they must be really nervous, and they've put in their best. So I wish them all the best, and good luck. It's really unfair to judge, but I think what really stands out is confidence, style, and a sweet smile. You know, all put together. You know, it's a tricky question, because beauty could mean different to different people. And it's actually very personal. But in a pageant like this, you want to see beauty with the brains and a bit of a humor. So that comes with a lot of confidence. So mixture of all these things. Sorry? Oh, yes. I have signed 2 films. They are actually bilingual films, and I'm waiting to sign a very good Hindi film. There's so many good directors. And you know, but there's so many new good directors. I would like to work with them.
Thank you. Let's move now. Sorry? No, thank you. Are you okay? Thank you.
Hi. Very good.
Hey.
जी आप सब पे देखो। मेरा 3री बार है जूरी पे, और अच्छा लगता है हर बार। जब हम छोटे थे तब टीवी पे देखते थे, फेमिना मिस इंडिया हो रहा होता था, और नए लोग, पहले मधु सप्रे देखी थी मैंने, उसके बाद सुष्मिता सेन, अब हम उसके खुद जज हैं तो अच्छा लगता है। देखिए, वैसे तो खूबसूरती ऐसी चीज़ है कि अगर आप दिखने में खूबसूरत हैं तो आप अट्रैक्ट तो करते हैं लोगों को, पर लंबे समय तक अगर आपका जो नेचर अच्छा हो, आपकी सोल अच्छी हो, आप में तमीज़ हो, आप में लोगों की परवाह हो, तो मेरे ख्याल से सुंदरता और लंबी होती है। थैंक यू। आपके ध्यान से
मैम, could you please be here for a minute for full length video? Guys. Feel like call Done? Very good emoji. I'm wearing Monisha Jaise. Everybody's wearing Monisha Jaise. Really? Today? What are you looking after for the center? I
can't cheat so much यार. हाँ, ये सेंटर है. कुछ चीज हाथ ऊपर है. हाँ, बताइए. Well, I'm going to expect the usual, some really beautiful Indian girls and somebody who's going to win the crown and represent, 3 girls who represent our country at different levels, and I feel very happy to be judging. लड़कियों में वही जो हर साल देखते हैं. She should be all encompassing. You know, she should have grace, beauty, a personality, dignity, because she's going to be representing India, you know, on a world platform. जी? देखिए, बहुत लोगों के लिए अलग अलग मायने रखती है ब्यूटी. तो मेरे लिए I think beauty has a lot to do with how you carry yourself. So you may not be quintessentially beautiful, but if you have some really beautiful qualities, it makes you look more beautiful.
Shilpa, it's been almost 14 years in this world of Miss Universe का title होता है. India को भी winning है बहुत 14 साल. What's your reaction? Is it that difficult to?
No, I just think that we need to get better. So there's always scope for improvement, and it's not like, you know, we've come last or we haven't stood anywhere. But I think whether we win or not, Indian girls all over the world will always be vied for and looked upon as very, very beautiful. And we have some great qualities. I talk about Indian women. Being an Indian woman, I feel very, very proud when I'm abroad, being Indian. So whether we win it or not, I know that we're the most beautiful girls in the world. जी? I feel very, very proud. और बहुत ऐसे विमेन खिलाड़ी हैं जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय लेवल पे बहुत कुछ अचीव कर रही हैं. So I really wish them all the very best, and I feel very proud as an Indian. What pipeline? Water? Whose pipeline? Juhu pipeline? Huh? Well, we've just released, we've just started our own channel, Best Deal TV. So I'm very, very excited. Just yesterday. So yeah, I've always been in front of the cameras. I didn't think that I'd be behind the cameras someday. So just need all your best wishes. Wish me luck.
Thank you.
All right, I'll make him then stand here for a bit.